What up you guys, Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and happy 4th of July, or maybe Memorial Day, or Veterans Day, or some random day that you need some red, white, and blue eye makeup inspiration. That's what I'm going to give you really quickly. This is going to be a very short, quick eye makeup tutorial, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you are new here, please go down and hit that little subscribe button. If you like what you see, don't feel obligated to press it just yet. Go ahead and watch a couple videos, and then join our little fam band because you know you want to know about my next uploads, which is about 2 to 3 times a week. Anyways, enough about that. I hope you all have a fun, safe, happy 4th of July or whatever day it is of the week, and let's get started.